purpose వల్ల your presence is more important than the most agreements.
All my dear seniors and the greetings of the world. Wonderful event. Thank you, ma'am. I request Chief Guest Principal to the portion of the drawing.
అల్లనుకున్న నేను చిన్న మామ కథలు ఆడపిల్ల బాధలన్నీ చెప్పుకుని బదులు పుట్టగానే చంపేస్తుంటే తప్పుడు విసులు
And it is a global occasion dedicated to honoring the social, economical and cultural and political contributions of the women. This day we are celebrating the strength and the achievements and the contribution of the women.
For all the students who has been involved acting in this program, I am seeing the energy and the enthusiasm, the happiness in all faces. So, festive mood it is actually.
A very happy International Women's Day. Firstly, I am very happy to be here. I am happy to see the kind of initiative that all the students have taken here. Be this particular cutout that you have made or the decorations that you have made, the effort which has gone into the dance performances and the arrangements. And also I have noticed that the students themselves have taken initiative with respect to even moving furniture. So this itself is a live example of what all women can do, and there is nothing that women cannot do. I wanted to speak to a few of you because this is the first time I am coming to your college. That you are inspired by, it could be somebody in your own life or it can be some other personality that you have read about or anything that you have read which has inspired you in your journey. You can raise your hand and just speak from wherever you are.
Inspiration ante I learned from my mother. The most everything first inspiration ever ante mother ane cheptanu.
Happy International Women's Day, ma'am. Thank you for proposing your question. My inspiration is my English teacher, as she has good communication skills and she motivated me a lot for further education. I feel very blessed to be her in my future, and also my mother is my great inspiration, as she is a nurse. She also encouraged me to take this nursing for future service, and I could say my mother and my English teacher is
Your English is very good and you are pursuing nursing also.
Thank you. So, dream also want to become an IAS officer, ma'am.
Women's International Day. Before that, I hear about ma'am that she is an IAS.
So always remember that nothing comes easy. When you are in your education days, there are always doubts. Andaru antaru అమ్మాయిలు చేయగలుగుతారా, అంత ర్యాంక్ వస్తుందా, వాళ్ళకి చదవగలుగుతారా అని చాలా మంది అడుగుతారు. But the fact that today all of you are here on merit in a government institution itself proves that all of you have worked very hard, you've studied really well and you've gotten here. But it doesn't stop here. This is the beginning of your careers, and even in the future there will always be doubts on your capabilities, whether you will be able to achieve something, whether you will be able to deliver in a particular job, in a professional setup, etc. But most importantly, you need to believe in yourself first. There will always be a self-doubt. అందరూ చేయగలుగుతారా అని ప్రతి ఒక్కరు అదేసరికి మీరు కూడా అనుకుంటారు, అవును నేను చేయగలుగుతానా, వేరే చోటుకి వెళ్ళి పని చేయగలుగుతానా, వేరే ఇంకొక చోట్లో ఒకదాన్ని హాస్టల్లో ఉండగలుగుతానా, కొత్త జాబ్, కొత్త సిటీ చేయగలుగుతానని చాలామంది మీరే డౌట్ అనేది క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటారు. కానీ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ ఫార్మోస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు బిలీవ్ ఇన్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్, యూ నీడ్ టు బీ బ్రేవ్ ఇఫ్ యూ నీడ్ టు అచీవ్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ ఐ ఆల్సో అండర్స్టాండ్ దాట్ సొసైటీలో చాలామంది అమ్మాయిలు వేరే ఏదైనా చేయాలి అనుకున్నప్పుడు దే విల్ సే అవసరమా అంత దూరం వెళ్ళటం కానీ అంత చేయడం కానీ అవసరమా అని చాలామంది అంటారు. బట్ బిలీవ్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యువర్ రైట్ ఆల్సో. అదే క్వశ్చన్ మరి మీ తమ్ముడిని కానీ అబ్బాయిలు ఉంటే అడుగుతారా? సో వాళ్ళకి ఎంత రైట్ ఉందో మీకు కూడా అంతే రైట్ ఉంది అని మీరు నమ్మాలి. బిలీవ్ ఇన్ యువర్ రైట్, ఫైట్ ఫర్ దట్ రైట్, బట్ ఆల్సో క్యారీ ది రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ విచ్ కమ్స్ విత్ ఇట్. If you are going to a different place, if you are saying you are capable of taking care of yourself, believe in that responsibility and be mature, be wise, take care of yourself, take care of the responsibility that your parents have given you by sending you to a different place for work or for studies. So when I personally, naku 12th tarvata, I wanted to join engineering in Goa. So there was an option to take it in Bangalore or go to Goa. Bangalore is my hometown. So I said I wanted to go study in BITS Pilani in Goa, and my parents agreed. After that, when I decided I wanted to pursue civil services, I wanted to go to Delhi. So Delhi lo coaching teeskodaniki, I didn't have any other friends, I didn't have any family in Delhi. I said I'll go to Delhi, and my parents supported me. If they had refused, I would have still fought for it and agreed that I will study for this itself, and I would have convinced them. కానీ ఈ సపోర్ట్ అనేది చాలా మందికి ఇంట్లో ఉంటే please take that opportunity and be brave in following your dreams. If you don't have that support at home, always give them the confidence that you will chase after your dreams, you will achieve your dreams. వాళ్ళకి ఆ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఇస్తూ మీరు సెల్ఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్తో బిలీఫ్తో ముందుకెళ్ళాలి అనేది రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇట్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ నోబెల్ ప్రొఫెషన్. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ మనం హిస్టరీలో చూసుకుంటే నర్సెస్ ఆర్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ పీపుల్ హూ క్రాస్డ్ బార్డర్స్, హూ సర్వ్డ్ ఇన్ ద మోస్ట్ crucial areas like World Wars lo avvachu, or at border lines, or in many critical situations. Nurses were the first women who were out there at the border post and serving. So it is not new in your profession to cross borders, to cross countries, to be in tough situations. So meerandaru kuda oka manchi profession, noble profession lo unnaru kabatti, do not stop your dreams, do not stop your ambitions, be brave, follow those dreams, and all of that comes only if you have self-confidence and self-belief in yourself. Wish you all the very best, and